Hello, I'm here today to review this beautiful monitor that you can actually attach to games, to computer, phone, anywhere you want, and absolutely it is fantastic. So let's go ahead, unbox it, review it together, show you how fantastic it is. This screen is ready to use right out of the box, and the packaging here including the 16-inch 2.5K 144 hertz monitor, and also it has two USB which is C cord, and also for the USB-C cables as well. And also here you can see that have a mini HDMI to the HDMI cable and a power adapter. Also, you can set it up with a lot of flexibilities, of course, and connect it to any device you wanted to. I connected to my computer for visual demonstration here for you to show to you, and also to the Nintendo games as well. So this is all the cables here, comes exactly as you can see here, and absolutely it has an amazing built-in 180 adjustable metal kickstand as well. So it has fantastic also U-shaped base that will also let you hang it on a shelf if you wanted to do so. Absolutely fantastic whenever you wanted to have a portable laptop monitor. It's incredible here to have it and plug it in and take it everywhere with you. As you can see here, I attach it with the cable to my computer, and now I have an extra screen, convenient one. And also I'm going to attach it to the Nintendo game workstation here, and you will see that. So it's an extend for a desktop, like you can mirror your screen on it and use it as a second portable monitor for laptops and for all your other devices as well. Absolutely fantastic and very professional. And also the screen is glare. Absolutely, it's super amazing, and the colors coming up, and also the sound coming up very clear, crisp, clear, and absolutely I love everything about it here. It's beautiful with all this brightness and effectiveness. I definitely recommend it for everyone. Can be as a gift or can be very durable portable screen for your workstation. Definitely recommend it. And thank you so much for watching.